I heard my wife struggling in pain when I was on my way home from work. I quickly followed the sound and found her tied tightly to the bed. I urgently asked her what had happened, but the truth I discovered completely shattered me. It turned out my wife had just been attacked by two people. Because my wife was blind like me and the attackers had made no sound, the only way to find evidence was to have my wife undergo a medical exam within 24 hours. But we never expected that. Just as we were about to go to the hospital for evidence collection, the police chief received a mysterious call. The next moment, my wife and I were stopped on the way and thrown into the water. All the evidence on us was washed away. With no choice, we returned to the police station for help. But all we received was ridicule. In the end, I could only leave the station with my wife in despair. However, just one day later, my wife chose to leave this world. I held her and kept calling her name, but she would never wake up again. At that moment, a revenge plan slowly formed in my mind. Although all the evidence had been destroyed, I already knew who was responsible. Because a few days earlier, my wife and I had been harassed by a thug named Xiao Chang on our way home. He was jealous that I had married such a beautiful woman. He tried to harm my wife. I rushed forward to stop him without hesitation. Our argument soon attracted the neighbors. That forced Xiao Chang and his partner to leave. But I never expected that the next morning, Xiao Chang and his men would come to our door. My wife eventually could not escape from them. Since the police chief chose to protect them, I decided to seek justice myself. Using my advantage as a voice actor, I pretended to be one of them and called the other. I successfully lured him to the place where they often drank. When he saw me, a hint of surprise appeared on his face, but he quickly calmed down because he knew I was blind and could not threaten him. But he did not know that I had already prepared everything. I reached out and turned off the lights. When the room fell into darkness, my advantage finally appeared. He could not figure out my position, but I could locate him through sound. In the end, I knocked him unconscious. Then I tied him up with a rope. Using the same method he used against my wife, I made him pay the price. After dealing with the first person, I used the same method to lure the other one to an abandoned warehouse. The moment he entered, I swung a stick at him. But I never expected that he had already put on a helmet. My surprise attack failed instantly. Soon, Xiao Chang pinned me down, but instead of ending the fight, he arrogantly wanted to play a turn-based game with me. I had no choice but to accept his challenge. Although my hearing helped me locate him, he could see clearly. His reactions were much faster than mine. Soon, my body was almost unable to continue. Just when I thought I had no chance, Xiao Chang suddenly took off his shoes. He prepared to finish the fight, but this careful move gave me my final chance to fight back. Because he did not know my ability was not limited to hearing, my sense of smell was also extremely sharp. I could even smell his feet from 10 meters away. In the end, the man who had hurt my wife paid the price because of his own mistake, and I finally completed my final revenge for my wife.